Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have MATIC Network Polygon daily update, but before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities. You will learn technical analysis and hold your future in your hands. You will surely take personal guidance and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in, and of course you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Also, join our Telegram group chat and hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to the support and resistance levels. Drawing the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom right here on 20 July, ending up to the top on 26, we wanted to find major resistance and support levels, mainly support levels, but also resistance, because we have the minus 0.236 and our next resistance level is the 1.26, and we have the one Tether USD 94 to 95 around there, which we found some buying pressure right here on 27th July, as you can see right there. And of course we have the 87, the 0.618, the 81 cents. Okay, in case we drop down 81 to 82, 87 to 88, and you can see 94 and 1 Tether USD around there. Okay, so let's go to the MACD a little bit. It is like, okay guys, it isn't so good, it isn't so bad. We just don't want to see eventually a fall down, a crash down, with the blue line going so far down, the signal line, and of course going into going down from the signal line after having this bearish cross right here on the 27th July, right? We want actually to avoid that. So anyway, we want to keep having higher lows and higher highs, eventually have a bullish recross here between the blue line and the signal line. Let's go really quickly to the risk metrics, the RSI, the commodity channel index, and the stochastic RSI. And you can see that the stochastic RSI is between 20 and 80. It is not in an oversold situation, although it is approaching the bottom here, you can see. And when we have an oversold situation, this means we have a buying opportunity. When we have an overbought, this means we have a selling opportunity. We need to short our position. Okay, so therefore you can see on the 4-hour frame that none of the risk metrics are in an oversold situation, but they can grow more. We eventually hope that maybe MATIC can go even higher, again above the 70/40 RSI. For the commodity channel index, the same, right? We just really hope that we might have do that for MATIC, and we can go a little bit higher. All right, so therefore let's go a little bit to the daily frame, and we will discuss with every detail what we want in the price analysis and what we should be careful of. Okay, so right now we had, according to the SSL HYBRID, we had a buying opportunity right here on this candle, so we could make some nice profits right here. The SSL HYBRID is good on identifying the buying opportunities, not good on identifying when to sell, right? So therefore, according to the SSL HYBRID, yes, we had a clear buying opportunity there back on 21st July 2021, right? So therefore let me just hide a little bit the SSL HYBRID and go to the Bollinger Bands. You can see that we are approaching the top line. We approached a little bit the top line. We had some sell pressure right here going on 26th July. Now we tend to go a little bit higher, and we hope maybe to go a little bit higher, because if you can see that only the stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation right here, the RSI can grow more, the commodity channel index can grow even higher, guys, and we hope maybe to get a higher than 100 commodity channel index. The MACD here is looking good. We just want to see blue line crossing above the signal line and remaining and going even higher on the daily frame. Let's go a little bit to MATIC Bitcoin chart, and you can see the reason that we don't go upwards is the reason that now we are just going and correcting a little bit against Bitcoin. You can see that as Bitcoin goes upwards, we are just correcting. We have an oversold situation though in the commodity channel index and on the stochastic RSI. The RSI is not in an oversold situation, but 2 out of 3 risk metrics are in an oversold situation. So this is good. This is something that we might be seeing, and we want to see whether we can go even higher or we will correct again more, right? But we need to go a lot higher than this, and I believe that we can do it, guys. I really hope that we can outperform Bitcoin so we can go to the price targets mentioned before. All right. So now we are going to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you are seeing that the stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation. 1 out of 3 risk metrics is in an overbought situation. The other 2 are near the bottom, or they are not in an overbought. What we hope for MATIC Bitcoin chart on the daily frame is not to go again below the 70. All right, we just hope maybe if we can see a swing high from here and go upwards, right? We just don't want the MATIC Bitcoin chart on the daily frame to go below 30 on the RSI. If this happens, then we might be losing our support level right here, but this might be good because if we have a bullish RSI divergence, we might be going down there, for example, below 30, but around 28, and the price will be a little bit lower than the previous one back on 20 July. If this happens, guys, then this will be very good because this will be a bullish RSI divergence on the daily frame, and MATIC against Bitcoin will be ready to just go insane again, right? Because you can see on the weekly frame, this was the first impulsive wave on the weekly frame, as you can see that, and we expect maybe MATIC to have another impulsive wave on the long term. We will see about that. Let's go again on the daily frame, and of course, guys, here we need to see the commodity channel index going up again, not flirting again with the minus 100. It is enough. We had enough for MATIC Bitcoin chart to consolidate again and again. We just need to go above the 100 for now. Look at the time we were above 126 May, guys. That's 2 months ago, right? And therefore we consolidate all the way from the previous for the next 2 months from 26 May till now. And of course we need to see if the commodity channel index can climb above the 100. That means we can potentially have another swing high here for MATIC Bitcoin chart. And let's go now to MATIC Tether USD to see what potentially can we do here. Because if we break and make the 1.30 around there, guys, 13, sorry, as a support level, then we can go to 1.26 Tether USD and maybe even higher. But the risk here is that Bitcoin on the daily frame is doing fantastic, but also look at where are we on the daily frame. We are above the 70 on the RSI, the 100 on the commodity channel index, and on the stochastic RSI, the 80. Okay. And what can we do in order to get saved right there and go to 42,000, 43,000 is maybe if Bitcoin has an impulsive wave on the daily frame too, because you can see this is clearly, guys, something that looks like an impulsive wave. We have so many green candles right here, and if this is an impulsive wave, then yes, we can go eventually to 1.26 for sure for the MATIC network. If this is not and we crash down, we correct a little bit after having a swing high, then we won't be probably going above the previous high right there formed at 1.14. But either way, guys, I believe that if Bitcoin goes upwards, then MATIC, yes, it can go to 1.26. 1.38 is a price target that we could be looking forward to, but we have to be a little bit careful, and of course we have to be patient, because right now the most probable target is the 1.26 in case we surpass the 1.13, but the 1.40 seems like a little bit of a mid-term price target. Okay, and you should be really careful. The RSI there, you can see that it is flirting around this area right here. We would love to see another high right here, another swing high for the RSI. Same for the commodity channel index there, another swing high for the commodity channel index. It looks like an iceberg, guys, where the sea is here, the gray area is the sea, and the top of the iceberg is above the 100. You can see that it is clearly an iceberg. You can call it whatever you want. The same is for the RSI. This is a smaller iceberg right there. It doesn't go much above the sea level, right? And so we have the icebergs. We want to make another iceberg right here above the 70 for the RSI and above the 100 for the commodity channel index. Bitcoin will allow us to do that if we keep going and going above the 70, because as you can see right now, that the thing that we went and broke, guys, the previous high right there, it was very important for Bitcoin in order to have a very significant swing high. But now we don't want to see something like this going on, right? Eventually, if we just go all the way upwards, then I would love the Bitcoin, sorry guys, to stay a little bit this above the 70. All right, we need to stay, we need the Bitcoin to sit above the 70 and stay right there for a bit. So MATIC Network, the next price target 1.26, but if you want to be more sure and minimize the risk, just go a little bit, wait till we go above the 1.13 on the daily frame. We can make it, guys. We don't have an overbought situation. Only the stochastic RSI, it is in an overbought, but the other indexes are not, and therefore we can do it. We just need a little bit of patience right there for MATIC. I know it is heartbreaking to see it going all the way down from the 2.69, it was 2.70, but that's what crypto market is, and we need patience, guys, and all will be beautiful again. Join our monthly subscription, link is in the description down below to get easy profits. Join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.